How do you say no in Spanish? The word no in Spanish is simply no, no, spelt exactly the same as in English. For example, ¿Tienes hambre? No. ¿Tienes hambre? No. Are you hungry? No. No quiero ir al cine esta noche. No quiero ir al cine esta noche. No, I don't want to go to the cinema tonight. In Spanish, you can also put the word no in front of a verb to make a negative sentence. For example, no entiendo. No entiendo means I don't understand. No me gusta el pescado. No me gusta el pescado. No, I don't like fish. No estoy seguro. No estoy seguro. No, I'm not sure. So if you want to say no in Spanish, you can say no. No gracias. No gracias. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.